Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with immediate diagnostics. Power cycle the device to clear transient faults because many sensor errors vanish after a reboot. Once done, make sure iOS is updated and Truedepth permissions are enabled. This rules out software causes. Next, open the camera and Face ID preview to record exact error text, which guides the repair path. You should document symptoms because knowing whether it's hardware, calibration, or software speeds the process and prevents needless part swaps. You'll now open the phone carefully. Use the right pentalobe tools and a suction method so you don't crack the display. Once opened, make sure to inspect connectors, flex cables, and the Truedepth module under 10x magnification. Dust or a bent pin often causes failure. Reseat the connectors firmly, because poor contact is a common culprit, then test before reassembly. If you see torn flex or a cracked sensor, swap the module with a known good part and proceed to calibration. You finish by reassembling with correct screw torque and gasket alignment so seals and sensors remain positioned. This prevents future misreads. Once reassembled, run Face ID enrollment and the Truedepth diagnostics to calibrate IR projector and dot pattern, because calibration aligns software to the new hardware. If problems persist, perform a DFU restore to eliminate firmware issues, and if still failing, consult an authorized repair service. They can run factory-level calibration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.